Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a new platform that was launched on today, which is 20th of January 2023 guys. So this platform is really good. It's also a good platform. So I'm going to show you guys how the platform works, how to earn, how to withdraw, and also how to get your coupon code on this project guys. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. But if this is your first time seeing my videos on YouTube, please kindly smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so that you won't miss anytime we drop a legit. Let's dive into the video guys. So the platform we're going to be looking at today is called Truewave guys. You can see perform tasks and earn cool cashbacks guys. So you are going to be earning serious money with this platform if you follow this process in this video step by step guys. So let's continue with the video. So this is Truewave. If you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to the sign on page. So I'm going to walk you through all the process guys. So let me just quickly log out of my account so that you see how this platform works guys. So right now you can see this platform, you can see this is the home page and everything. So it's very easy to navigate around this platform. As you can see, perform task and daily. So you can see here is how to get started on Truewave. First of all, you have to get your coupon code from a verified vendor. I'm also a verified vendor, so my number will be showing on the screen, so you can contact me on WhatsApp to get your coupon code. So you can see after you get your coupon code, then you register your account, you perform your task, then once you get to the minimum withdrawal, then you withdraw your funds. That's just it guys. This platform is 100% free guys. So let me show you how to log in to this platform. So you click on sign up. Once you buy the coupon code, you are going to click on the link in the description, then you're going to take you to the sign up page right here. So you have to put your full name, username, mobile number, email address, then the coupon code you bought, then you have to put it right here. So this is Truewave. Then if you click on my link, it's going to show you my YouTube channel name, which is TV. You are going to see it right here. Then you put your password. Then once you have done that, you choose a question. You just click on it, then you can choose the question that you know you can answer. So you can just choose what was your childhood hero. You can put it, you can put the answer right here as a security code. Then click on register. Then that's all. So once you register, you are going to log into your account straight. So let me just log into my account real quick because I'm already registered. Okay, so I've logged into my account. This is my account right now. So this is my total balance. And also once you log into your account, this is where you can get your own referral link. If you want to refer your friends or anybody, you can copy your referral link from here. If you click on copy, you can see your Truewave app, your referral has copied. So that's just it. So if you log in, you're going to get 2,000 naira welcome bonus. So and you also get 200 naira for every login you do every single day. So that's just it. So let me quickly show you how to perform your task. So you click on task right here. You click on task below this place, then you click on read more. You click on read more right here. So once you click on read more, then it's going to take you to the sponsor post for today. So you can see this sponsor post, you see the time when they drop the sponsor post as well. So once you are here, this is what you will do. You will see this place right here. Let me just circle it so you guys can see it properly. You see this place, either you use Facebook to share your sponsor post or you use Twitter, but I'm going to be using Facebook for this video, so you can use Twitter as well, but I just want to use Facebook just for the purpose of this video. So if you don't have a Facebook account, you don't need a Facebook account though, but you can just click on Facebook. So it's going to direct you to this page right here. You can see I didn't log into my Facebook account, but it directs me to Facebook login. So since you have gotten to this place, you have to go back to your dashboard. So once you click on home, it's going to take you back again. So once you click on sign in, then you're going to receive your daily earnings guys. So that's just how to perform your daily task. It's very easy and very simple to do guys. So let me show you how to contact a vendor in case you want to get a vendor if you are new to the platform. Once you click the link, you click on home. Let me just show you something real quick. So if you want to contact a vendor, since you are new to the platform, you just click this place right here, then click on the buy code, then click on this buy code right here. You can see the vendors they have on this platform right here. You can see they have a lot of vendor, and this is me right here. In case you want to buy coupon code and you don't trust any of the vendors, you can contact me on WhatsApp. This is me right here, so you can contact me on WhatsApp to get your coupon code. So that's it. Either you contact me or you contact any of the vendors you see. But if you know that I'm not active, like you message me on WhatsApp and I didn't respond to you on time, you can come back and get your contact any of the coupon code vendors right here. But I'm always active, so you can contact me on WhatsApp to get your coupon code. So that's it. So if you then once you have done that, once you have logged into your account, you have performed your task, then the minimum withdrawal for this platform is 10,000 naira. So let me quickly show you how to set your cash out, your payment method. Settings, sorry, you have to set it before you can withdraw your funds. So you have to set your payment method. You can see payment alerts, you can also do that as well. So this is my own payment method. You can see my bank right here, bank name, OPay, account number, account name. You can see that I've already set everything, and that is it. So this is how to set it. Once you have done that, so you can place withdrawal anytime you go to the minimum withdrawal of 10,000 naira. So that's how this platform really works. This platform is legit, and you can also buy data from this platform. If you want to buy data and you have like on your activity balance, you can use your activity balance to buy data. For example, you want to buy data, you can just select the network, either MTN, Glo, 9 Mobile, or Airtel. You can go for these, then you put the amount. Then if you are going for daily subscription, weekly or monthly subscription, you can just do it. Then you click on buy now. So it's going to direct you to Facebook. There's someone there that's going to sell the card for you through with your own activity balance. So you can get data with this platform as well. So that's it. This platform is really legit. And also, if you decide to refer, you also get commission of 2-4 if you refer anybody, and you can withdraw your minimum withdrawal for affiliate is 5,000 naira. So and withdrawal date is Monday and Friday. So and the withdrawal time is 3 p.m. to 4:30. So that's it, guys. So that will be all for this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can either DM me or WhatsApp or drop it in the comment section of this video. My number will be in the screen and also in the description of this video. So guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn the post notification so you won't miss any video when we drop it on this channel. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Peace.